Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a cosmetic cream tube mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and after that make a selection of the tube. After make a selection, add layer mask and now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the tube size. Now convert it into smart object and create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Now double click on smart object icon and import the design here. So go to design file, Ctrl A to select and press Ctrl C to copy and paste the design here and press Ctrl T to transform and hit OK and press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Now go to blending options, move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. So to make the edges smooth, select layer mask and increase the feather to 1 pixels and hit OK. And your cosmetic cream tube mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.